Happy evening. We have been working with ICIPL's Sujata for the past 10 years now. We've done multiple projects, residential, school, college, interiors, elevation. We've been fairly happy. She has been very understanding, someone very practical, and in fact, I've suggested and recommended her also to many other education institutions, and wherever I've recommended or whomever has availed her services have only come back and thanked me that they've had good experience, and I've myself seen the places where I recommended her, the output has been good, and we are glad that we've been working with her, and I wish her all the best for all her future projects also. Thank you, Sujata.